Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
Hey everybody, welcome to the show. I'm your host Sandman. Today I'm going to be attempting to pick 5 padlocks with just one hand. There is a challenge going on throughout the internet, a one-handed picking challenge, and I figured I would give it a try. First off, let me just tell you, there's been amazing videos of people picking high security locks one-handed. I'm not at that level, so I'm just going to pick 2 white belt locks, a yellow belt, an orange belt, and a green belt lock one-handed. Let's get into it. I'm going to be using a Covert Instruments turning tool, top of keyway tension, same one that's found in the Genesis set, and I'm going to be using a Covert Instruments short hook and 20 thou that's found in their Echelon pick set. Wish me luck. Okay. 1 down, 4 to go. No. I have to reset this one. I'm losing it. I'm going to switch turning tools. See if I can get this one to stay. had it. Really? 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 There we go. Nope. There we go. Last one. Going back to my covert instruments turning tool. Start this guy over. All right, I'll take that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I look forward to entering this video into my submission for the HV Logic 1000 giveaway. It is what it is. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.
Mr. Sandman, bring us